Fatso. Siva.
Don't laugh at her picture.
Good girls. What are you doing, Silani?
Yeah, you go.
Siva.
Yeah,
Silani, are you dizzy? Siva, Nani. Good job, Fatso. Good job.
Look at her hands. Fatso.
No. Don't copy your cousin.
We was gonna let them perform that at Amber's Feet, but I was like,
Would she have done it?
not gonna want to do it. Yeah.
Good job.
By Huh, you'll be ready by Amber.
Fatso, do the opening. Do the opening, Fatso. Tell her do the opening, somebody. Who's talking to her?